Before you proceed to watch this live trading video, please understand that you will have to watch first 3 videos in order to understand the strategy that you're about to see. So please go to my channel here on YouTube and click on the playlists, and now click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Now, once you click on it, you will have here many videos that you have got to watch first, including these 2 right here, the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2, and don't forget to follow it later with the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategies. Watching these videos is highly important to understand the strategy that I'm offering here on my channel for free. And mainly, of course, you will have to watch this one right here, because this is the main core of the strategy. These other 3 videos right here will help you to improve this strategy right here. So please watch them first in order to understand what I'm doing right here, and you can also apply it later. Hello everyone, and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So now guys, I want to share with you my strategy in trading only on the 15-minute time frame. I mean purely on the 15-minute time frame. We don't even need to move to the 4-hour time frame. So the whole moral of the strategy, guys, as you have seen in the beginning of the video, you have first to watch the 20 pips a day strategy videos, and also you have to watch the magic of trend lines and the magic of Fibonacci retracement in order to understand what I'm doing right here, so you can also find these setups and you can trade by yourself. I mean, this is the final target for everyone here, guys. We are not here for signals, we are here to learn Forex, and so we can of course trade by ourselves. And I finally found a good setup right here based on the 50-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame on the AUDUSD. Actually, this is a really good setup. I'm going to increase the lot size to be 0.86. okay, let me just be sure. I want to be sure, guys, don't worry, I will just be sure first, then I will tell you what am I doing right here. So I think it's going to be a valid one. Yes, I think it's going to be a valid one. All right, so let me just share with you this setup right now. So first of all, by looking at the 15-minute time frame for the AUDUSD, we are having here a broken level of a resistance trend line. So that means that the market will continue the rise after the bullish breakout happened right here. Let me just bring my tool here to draw on the screen, which is called Epic Pen. You can find this, guys, on Google for free. Just search for Epic Pen. Anyway, now we can see the market is falling again. I think I'm gonna place the buy order right now. Checking the Fibonacci. Oh my god, we are on 38.2, 0.90, and place now the buy order. Fantastic, 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 fantastic. Risking only $59. That's fine. Aiming about $70 of profit. So of course, to have a decent entry like me, you guys have got to use IC markets. I believe IC markets is now the best Forex broker in the world, and I believe soon it will be the leader in this industry. So I highly recommend you guys to open an account in IC markets using the link provided in the description below of this video. So as we can see right now, guys, let me just explain to you the reason behind of this trade. So as we can see right here, based on the 15-minute time frame only, we're having right here a real level of the support. Now, since we are having a bullish movement right now, and the market has just made the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line, that means that the market will most likely now respect that level of a real support, as we can see right here, which was, by the way, in the past a level of a real resistance. Also, by checking the Fibonacci retracement from the same level where I have drawn my resistance trend line, we can notice that this, guys, was 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So all of that together tells us that the market right now will continue the rise. Now what I did right here by drawing that support trend line is simply confirming the entry. How? By draw the support trend line from this lower low to this higher low and just simply drag it. Check this out. If you drag the same line, you will notice that the market actually always respected that level of support trend line. No matter what you do, no matter where you place it, the market will always be respecting those levels. Check this out. Right here also we're having a resistance trend line, which also has been respected repeatedly. So what I did here is simply drag the very same level of support trend line and place it right there at that level of support trend line, which was also in the past a support trend line. Now we can see that the market is almost there
it actually has a potential to fall a little bit more to reach that level of support, the trend line plus the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, and then it's going to continue to rise. I entered because I don't want the market to reverse earlier than that, and it doesn't worth to lose this setup for the sake of just 1.2 pips. Anyway, the stop loss has been placed right there for investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $50. Also, as we can see, the stop loss is way below that level of a resistance trend line. Also, the take profit level has been placed right there because it's near to Fibonacci 61.8, and also is at the nearest level of a previous support. So, let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording. Then I'll be back to you to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. I think we are making a very good progress here, guys. The trade is going so far in about 10 pips of profit, $52. I'm gonna close it and get done with it. That's totally fine. We're making good progress early morning, and it was really a good deal and good profits. I'm so happy with it. All right, great. So 1,898. Let's reach 2,000 together. All right, so guys, to save your time, I'm going to pause the recording. Then I'll be back to you later to show you the next trade. Alright, so we're having here another good setup. It seems like a good one. I need to be sure first. NZDCAD 90 lot size. Let's go to 1 lot size. That's fine. I think we need to invest now the profits that we have made with the previous pair. First of all, I am still on the 15-minute time frame. I'm going to draw the Fibonacci retracement, and as we can see right now, we are almost at Fibonacci 50. Now we need to confirm if on the left side we are having any strong real level of the support. Don't just place your trades randomly on Fibonacci retracement, because most likely it will fail, just like what happened here. So what you can do next is simply drag to the left, or sorry, move this chart to the left side just to find the nearest level of a support. Check this out. This was the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle. That tells us that most likely we can place our buy order. I'm gonna place it right now, and I place it right here. I don't want to risk too much. $70. 70 should be fine. Aiming at least $93. Why? Because there lies the nearest support to my entry. Because I have opened my trade right here at what seems like a new support, number one. And if the trade is gonna keep going in our favor, we can keep it running till it reach that level of a previous support, which was the nearest one to our entry. Meanwhile, the stop loss was placed right there for investment reasons. Now, I just want to take my time to analyze this trade. So let me just confirm if it was indeed a good one. So what I will do right now, guys, is simply using the trend lines. Let me just confirm. I think it will be a good one. What I will do now is simply draw the resistance trend line from this higher high to this lower high, just like that. So we have drawn here the resistance trend line, and as we can see, it just looks like that. What I will do next is simply drag the very same line and place it at the nearest support trend line. Oh boy, yes, fantastic. Wow, fantastic. That's really gonna be a good entry. As you can see, the support trend line right here will now most likely be respected. That is, guys, why I call it the magic of trend lines. Now we are actually on the creation of a channel. And now there is a possibility for the market to continue the rise, because right here we're having a key support trend line, which will most likely now gonna be respected. So that should be a good deal. So far we're running in good profits. Yes, so far $23 of profit. Let me now, guys, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Alright, so we're still making progress here, and thankfully the trade so far is running in about $44 of profit, equivalent to 6 pips of profit. I think I will just close the trade right now, guys. $48 of profit. Close it and get done with it, because I feel nervous about it, because it actually went down all the way right here near to our entry and then reversed back. So I just really want to get done with it. As you can see, I'm closing the trades in a small profit, because the account, guys, is still small. Once it reaches above 2,500, I can go aiming $100 or $150 of profit. But for now, I just want to grow the account slowly to be at least 2,100 by the end of the day. And the way to do that is aiming like $40 to $50 only per trade. We don't really need to trade more than that. Just slowly you will grow your account. Don't rush to grow it. just be sure that you are able actually to find these good setups. Actually, I'm lucky today, to be honest with you. I won't lie to you. In this session, I was lucky to find these two setups early. We are not yet sure what will gonna happen. What I'm sure so far is that the gold from the weekly analysis has been activated and running so far in about 56 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the other trades are going in the right direction without being activated. Anyway, guys, the whole purpose of this session is to show you how to find these setups. So again, I think 2 trades per session is fine. I think that's this is gonna be the new system from now on. Every week, I will provide you with at least 1 or 2 live trading videos showing you at least 2 trades and showing you how to find these setups. So I will just stop trading for now, waiting for a good setup. Let me just share with you, since you guys are here together. Here we are having a good setup to buy the pound NZD if it falls to another 30 pips to buy at 0.207333. That's gonna be actually a fine setup. I'm gonna place here a buy order, and I can aim at least 10-15 pips profit from this signal. Another possible trade is gonna be, I'm now, of course, I'm on the 1 minute time frame, sorry, 1 hour time frame. Another good trade will be right here, actually. Once the pound AUD falls back for about 13 pips, and we can place here the buy order exactly at that level of a support, and so on. Guys, I want you to be able to find these setups by yourself. Xtreme Trader is not about giving signals, it's about teaching Forex, and that's the purpose, of course, of showing you how I'm trading on my account, to show you how to find these setups so you can do the same by yourself. So until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.